Hello, JNM Reviews here, and today I am reviewing this pulling oil by Mouthology. This is how it looks. This is the actual product. Is 8 ounces, and this is how it looks. You're going to put here 15 ml in the measuring cup. Smells delicious like peppermint. And what you want to do is put it in your mouth, move it from side to side, minimum 2 minutes, maximum 10. Then spit it out, rinse your mouth with water, don't swallow. And then with this tongue scraper, you're going to put the back of the tongue scraper back in your mouth, back in your tongue, and then move forward. And you're going to rinse with water, scrape it in your mouth every time. So I like this because it's natural. So it's good to whitening teeth with cavities. It's good for the teeth and the gums. So I like it also because it has a lot of clean ingredients. And I hope you check them out. Thank you for watching.